Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be seeing how you can place a bracket order in Ant-Desk. So before we go into the Ant-Desk platform and show you, here's where you can download the Ant-Desk platform on your personal computer if you don't have it already. Just go to aliceblueonline.com/ant, and in this page, you can select the Ant-Desk and it'll lead you to the download page. Just click the download now button to download and install it. Now let's go to the Ant-Desk platform. So once you're in your Antidesk platform, it'll show you your market watch page. So we are at the default market watch page right now. So let's select a stock or a specific security that you want to choose to place a bracket order on. So here there are a few different ways, pretty similar, in which you can place your bracket order. So the easiest way is in the menu options, we have the order. Select the stock and then go to the order section, and here we have the bracket order. Once you open it, it'll show you bracket order by and bracket order sell. So you can click any of those and it'll just show what the bracket order window separately. Another way to open up the bracket order is just right click on top of the security and then it'll show you the bracket order again, and you can decide whether you want to buy the bracket order or sell it. Now here you can also see in the right side of the this that it shows shift plus F3 for buying the bracket order and shift plus F4 for selling the bracket order. So you can do also that. Make sure that the security you want to buy or sell is selected and then press shift F3 and it'll open up the bracket order window. It is that simple. Now that we are here, let's see how you can place the bracket order. So here we have the buy option selected. You can change to the sell option also if you wish to in your options itself, the future options. So let's keep it at buy. You can select the exchange and the stock that you want to buy in. Then you can select the specific type. So here we have the futures commodity. You can select the stock again. If you want to change and you selected the wrong stock and you want to change it, you can change it here in the symbols section. So we'll keep it at aluminum right now. And since it is futures commodity, we have the expiry date also given here. If you just have a normal stock order, it won't show the expiry date. So for example, let's keep it at normal equity. So you can see that the expiry option here, it's faded out to show that that is not an option in the regular equity. So, but since we are having the futures commodity here, we'll leave it as it is. So we have the expiry option mentioned and the validity is also here since it is and it's a day trade. Now we have the product type. If you have the equity type, it'll ask you whether normal the product you want to buy is a normal one or not. So for example here, equity. So right now, okay, let's keep it at MCX aluminum and keep all of these here. Since the market is not open for the regular equity right now and it's currently in the evening market, the normal product won't show for the equity also. So here we have the order type as limit, the amount of stocks we want to buy or the number of securities, we can keep it as 10. For example, here we have the price of the specific security. We can see it's currently trading at 140.10 here, the left corner. So we can keep the buy price also at 10, or let's go a little less also, as that is also an option. You can change the buy price based on your preference. If you want to buy low, you can mention that price and it will go into the order section and it will until that price comes up with somebody selling it with at that price, it will stay there till it's executed. So let's keep it at this price, and before we select the submit option, we will look at the bracket order section here. So we have the LTP selected here. If you want, you can go ATP also. So in the absolute value, At what price do you want to sell it at? The square of sell. So it's at 140.08. Let's keep this at 10. I say let's add point 139.8. Then here we have the stop loss sell. Oh, this is the square of sell absolute. Then we have the stop loss sell. Mm, oh, sorry. One, you want to square it off at 140.5. We leave it at that, and the stop loss we'll keep it at 139.8. Got that mixed up. So since this is not a trailing stop loss order, we will leave it as it is. And once we are satisfied with all the details, you can select the submit button. So that is how you place a bracket order. So here we can see the multiple of tick size of 0.05. We'll keep here trailing ticks. But let's do that. Okay. Mention the trailing ticks also and select the submit button. Ah, yes, here. Have that. Okay, so it's in the price, not here. Okay, so select the submit button and it'll ask you for a confirmation here. So once you have the confirmation, you can select yes and the order will be placed. And in the status here, which is running in the bottom, you can see the order status. Since this is a demo ID and we can see that the status has been rejected. If you have When you have a normal account, it'll show you whether the status has been it's currently pending and waiting to get executed, or whether it's been executed, and when it is pending, you can see that here. You can also go into the order book and check the order status here. So that is how you place a bracket order using the Antidesk platform of Alice Blue. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos on stock market and trading, please subscribe to this channel.